I recently noticed that if you plug your headphones in before or while running Premiere Pro, it won't automatically detect and use them. So right now I have some headphones plugged in, but it's still playing through my speaker. To fix this, go up to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware. Make sure the device class is set to MME. Then click the Default Output drop-down box. Select your headphones and click OK. Alright, now my audio will play through my headphones. If you want to go back to your speakers, you can't just unplug your headphones. Instead, go back up to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware. Make sure the default class is MME and then choose the device you are using for your speakers. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.